Okay, welcome to a video for this yuneec q500. It's a fairly large drone with a CG02GB gimbal, all working fine. I'll just move the camera up so you can see it. Move up, there's the image, moving up. Not quite sure how clean the lens is, looks pretty good. It's got some damage to the base. Been glued up, but all seems to keep its integrity all good. Voltage is showing 11.4, and we'll plonk it down and see if I can get it in the air. One of the batteries, excuse me, is not holding any charge at all, and this one is not the best. But let's just press the button. He says, "Welcome pilot, GPS ready, 0 satellites showing." Maybe it's going to take a bit of time to hook up to satellites. Oh, on the wrong setting. Smart is what you want. Let's put the camera right up. Mode. GPS ready. There we go. Let's take her up a bit. You can trim it as well. There's a little bit of wind around today. Whoop, and that's the end of it. Oh dear.